Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Gresham Park local, and long-distance movers near me. Moving your belongings to a distance over 50 miles from your current location is a long-distance move. 3 Men and a Truck offers excellent long-distance moves. Once you reach out to us, we plan a moving timeline to guide us throughout the movement. Our movers are cautious when handling your belongings. They wrap them in our special protective gears, then load them inside the trucks. Our moving trucks are of the best standards, and they are fit for long-distance moves. Our drivers are also professionals. We have valid licenses to move your belongings over long distances and adequate insurance coverage. Our local moving services are the best in Gresham Park, Georgia. We have a long list of clients that will testify of our premium moving services. We know the safest and quickest route in the city, and we navigate these routes to get to your new destination promptly. Our moving rates are also one of the reasons we stand out and why locals are our biggest supporters. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gresham Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.